Hi, this sixth session is about my multi-tool and ignition system. First up are my multi-tools. First is this. This is my 9-in-1 multi-tool. What's interesting about this one is that it has this small size spoon and a small size fork on the other side, and it also has this small LED light. To use the spoon and the fork, all you gotta do is just take them out and stick them in like this. My second multi-tool is this. This is the 511 11-in-1 multi-tool. I personally use this one more often because it has more tools in it. Next is this. This is my 4-in-1 multi-tool eating utensil. It has this big size spoon, a big size fork, a small size knife, and a bottle opener. Next is this. This is the Laix multi-tool whistle. It has this whistle on the bottom section, and the bottom section is openable. If you open it, it has this small size knife on the other side of the whistle. If you want to use the knife, all you gotta do is just switch it, put it back on, and you have yourself a knife. On the top section, it has this small compass, and the top section is also openable. If you open it, it has this container that you can be able to use to store your tinder, waterproof matches, fishing line, and other small stuffs. As for me, I put some petroleum jelly cotton balls in it. And the middle section is also openable. If you open it, it has this small ferro rod. Now you can be able to use this thing as a fire starter. Alright. Next up is this. This is my second multi-tool whistle. On the outside it has this neck strap, a whistle, a thermometer, a compass, and an LED light. On the inside it has this container that you can be able to use to store your fishing line, waterproof matches, tinder, and other small stuffs. And it also has this magnifying glass that you can be able to use to start a fire, and also this mirror that you can be able to use for signaling. Alright, next up is this. This is my mini folding detachable multi-tool shovel. It has this small compass on the bottom and a container in the handle. To use it, all you gotta do is just attach both parts like this. After that, you choose which one you want to use. It has this spoon and the fork. Let's say you want to use the spoon. All you gotta do is just pull it up and lock it. If you want to switch to the fork, all you gotta do is just unlock it and switch it and lock it again. Alright, next up is my ignition system. First are these. These are my cigarette lighters. Second is this. This is the Harley Davidson Butane Lighter, and it has this small folding knife on it. And next is this. This is my Windproof Zippo lighter. Next is this. This is my fire steel, a ferro rod, and a striker, and also attach a survival whistle on it, well, just in case. And the last one is this. This is my one-handed Blastmatch fire starter. To use it, all you gotta do is just open it and give it a little push. It has this ferro rod and a striker on the other side of the hook, and I also attach this survival whistle on it just in case, and also a striker as well. Alright, that's it for this 6th session. If you guys want to know my other camping and hiking gears, feel free to check out the other sessions as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you all out there.